Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hard reset your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So first, if you want to reset your mouse manually, then what you guys need to do is press and hold the left, right, and the scroll wheel mouse button, so three of the buttons at the top. Now let's press them at the same time. Keep on holding them for 10 seconds, even less, around 7 or 8 seconds. As you guys can see, now they stopped blinking and the mouse is basically reset. So that's how you guys can do that. Now we can let go and the mouse is still usable, and of course the settings right here disappeared, so we got no settings whatsoever. Of course this is a profile, but the mouse itself is reset. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.